next question. Let me call the question first. Here we have a couple of exercises. Yeah, let's look at the exercise on the left. So here we have something called show the difference between actual sales per month over a 4-year period and the average monthly sales using exclude. Here he wants us to use the particular kind of LOD. And so what the question is, for take an average for all across monthly sales for the last 4 years and take a difference of that average and monthly sales in each of the months. That's the question, and let's see how we can do it. Using fixed expression we can easily do it, but let's see how we can do it in using the exclude expression. So first of all I would need my order date, and let me put that at the month level, and my sales, and change that to bar. I have my bar. Now I need to get my so yeah, just so you know, if you remember how we when we discussed including difference between fixed, include, exclude. So exclude and include will always take into account the dimensions that you already put into the view. So we need to basically take into account all the dimensions that were earlier added into the view. Okay, when we are trying to use include and exclude. So let me just yes. So if you see here, this is the calculation. Let me explain here. First, we need to get the sales for each and every month. So for that, I'll use this expression. So for every month of the order date, give me sum of sales. So this will give me a table for every month in the last 4 years. It will give me sum of sales, and that itself that'll be one table. And on the top of this table, we are working. So normally when you write your first LOD, you'll be working on a database table. So the base table that which you bought into the Tableau. But if you don't want to work on the table, you can basically, this is the power of LODs actually, where you get to create a separate table in Tableau itself, where you don't have to store it and etc. And you can get to work on that. So if you see here, this highlighted expression itself is creating a temporary table for this calculation alone. And on the top of the table, you are working. And why do you want to create the table? Because you want to take an average at this level, not at the data source level. So that's why we created fixed date trunk, and we got this table. It will give me sum of sales for each and every month. And let's say if there are 16 months, for 16 months, this table will have 16 rows. Now my average will be when calculating the average, the denominator will be 16. But if in case you are working on a base table where the row is of each order detail, the average, when you calculate on that, it will mess up, because the denominator takes into account the number of rows. So therefore you created a table for which, based on the average that you want to calculate, and from there you exclude the month and get the average. So yeah, so this is how you do this calculation. And average month, hope this calculation is clear. I will click OK, and that would be my average monthly sales calculation. I'll just put that there. This is my average number constant for everything, and I'll create. All I have to do is I'll have to take a difference. Some sales minus my average. Enter, you'll get the that I'll just remove this color this. So now I got the wherever basically the solution for the question that we are looking at. The difference of monthly sales with the average of all the months across last 4 years. Stop me if you have any question. I'll move on to the next question.